Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start now, power off your Vivo Y21 and unlock the SIM tray with the eject tool. You do this so the phone reads both cards cleanly. Hot swapping can cause errors. Once the tray is out, place SIM1 and SIM2 into their labeled slots, match the notches. Make sure each SIM is seated flat. Gently reinsert the tray until it clicks. After reinserting, power on the phone and wait for the boot process to finish before moving on to settings. Once powered up, open Settings and tap SIM card and mobile data so you can see both inserted SIMs. This is where you control behavior. You should enable both SIMs with the on/off toggles, then assign defaults. Choose which SIM handles mobile data and which handles calls or SMS. Make sure to configure data roaming preferences and network type for each SIM. This avoids conflicts between 4G and 3G bands. After assigning, check signal icons in the status bar to confirm both are registered. Finish by testing. Call from SIM1, send an SMS from SIM2, and load a web page to verify data. If one SIM shows no service, restart the phone first. If that fails, power down, reseat the SIMs, and ensure contacts are clean. Next, confirm APN settings match carrier requirements. Manually add them if needed. As a last resort, reset network settings. This clears custom Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but often resolves stubborn registration problems. If issues persist, contact the carrier for provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.